guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable super wallpapers in Miui 14, and as you can see here, HyperOS. Now some phones, okay, this is the update screen. Some phones in HyperOS and Miui 14 already have super wallpapers, but mostly they are flagship phones of Xiaomi. But this is, as you can see, Redmi Note 12, and these phones do not have super wallpapers. But in this video I'm going to show you completely how to enable them. So let's go. Okay, for this tutorial you need three things. First is the official wallpapers app from Google. Second is the super wallpapers themselves, which are separate APK files. And third is this Get Apps app, which is Xiaomi's official app store. And I'm going to show you how to get every one of these. So watch until the end. Okay, first open up Play Store. Sorry, search for wallpapers. And as you can see, wallpapers from Google LLC. It was that easy, just download and install it. Second, you can download these from my Telegram channel, link in the description. You can download which one of these you want, pick which one you want and download them separately. Or you can use the direct download link, which I'm gonna also put the link in the description. But in the direct link, it's going to include all of them in a zip file. Okay, when you have these, just put them in your internal storage or SD card and install them in your phone or install them via ADB. Okay, I'm going to go here and super wallpapers and install these. And when you install them, it's going to take a little bit for staging the app. When you install them, just click done and go to the next one. I'm going to speed this up. Okay, now all of these are installed. Now we need to update these from the Get Apps app. Okay, for getting this, you probably don't have this app. Go to settings, search for region, and here select India, and you're going to get this app. Now open Get Apps and sign into your Xiaomi account if needed. Go to Me, Updates, and sometimes it doesn't work, but you're going to try to get these updates. So I'm going to cut the video and just reload these and change my VPN, because in Iran we need VPNs to go to these apps. For Get Apps we need VPNs too, and oh, here it is. 564 megabytes. We can download these, and I'm going to click update all and just wait until it gets downloaded completely. I'm going to speed the video up again. Okay, all of the updates are installed. You're going to open up the wallpapers app that we downloaded earlier and go down, select live wallpapers, and here are live wallpapers. Here are our super wallpapers, and as you can see, these are kind of duplicates, but one of them is the light theme and the other is the dark theme. Some of them don't have a light/dark theme, they just have dark. But for example, this has a dark and a light theme. This is probably the dark one, yes, and this is the light one. But sometimes it bugs out and you need to select, like this is the dark wallpaper, but when I set wallpaper, sometimes it applies the white one. The light one, but white one? No, light one. Okay. but now it worked, and you need to go to the lock screen, open your phone again and unlock it, and as you can see, the super wallpaper works. We can apply another wallpaper. Get apps is sending notifications, go away. Okay, here we can go to live wallpapers again and apply another one. For example, I like this one, so set wallpaper. Okay, this is the lock screen, and as you can see, it works. Now if you want, you can change the region back from settings, but in the India region, Xiaomi gives you more features in the themes app, so I'm going to keep it this way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.